Hey there everybody, back out on Pine Mountain Trail, this time using the new max lens mod on my GoPro Hero 10. Hopefully we'll get some good shots today. Let's find out. So far, really impressed with the Max Lens mods. Max Lens mod works really well. The only con that I would say is that you don't get as much flexibility with the views that you get and the video quality, because it's capped out at 2.7K, and you know, when you've got the Max Lens mod on, you can't get those linear or narrow shots like you would normally get. And so once it's on, and you're kind of locked in to those preferences. But other than that, really enjoying this lens. Hey there everybody, thanks so much for checking out the channel. And let me begin by saying, I know that at the end of that little clip there, it got a little, I don't know, wonky with all the portrait film clips. But you know, when you're trying to create content for YouTube shorts and for reels, sometimes, you know, you turn the camera around and that's the only footage you get. But hey, the real takeaway here is that I really enjoyed using this Max Lens mod. That's tough to say. I know this lens has been around for a while, and I've been very reluctant to get it, only because the GoPro already has a super view mode on the 10 and 11, and so it's a really wide field of view. But what I've noticed is that that's more digital than it is optical. And so using this lens along with the horizon lock, which I really like, that was very interesting. I got some really good results, as you saw there in the clip. I don't really like the fact that it dumbs down the resolution to 2.7K. I would like to at least get 4K out of it. And then on some of the time-lapse features and things, I think it knocks that down, depending on the frame rates. I think it knocks it down to 1080p. Again, that's pretty consistent with some other cameras. When you want those higher frame rates, you have to get a lower resolution. I'm not used to that in my GoPro, but I don't plan on doing a lot of time-lapse videography with this using the Max Lens mod. So again, that's not too much of a drawback. I did like the stabilization, looked pretty good. Cost, you know, it's still pretty pricey, but it is a nice piece of glass. So here are my thoughts. I like it, but I don't think it's mandatory. I think it's more of a gee whiz kind of thing. I will say this real quick, not as a knock to GoPro, but it's an observation. I've also got this. This is the DJI Osmo Action 2, and it's already got a 155 degree field of view, and it already has the horizon lock, and that comes standard, and it's a lower price point. So if those are the features that you're looking for, you might want to look somewhere else, because you can probably get those cheaper. But if you're looking for the total package, I like my GoPro. I would take this over almost any other camera, just because of the quality, the way it's built, the way it interacts with the app, all the different features and modes that you get. I am a diehard GoPro fan, and so I like the lens, but I would take the camera without it. So hey everybody, this is Mike, Low Def Media, and I just want to say thanks again for taking the time. If you like this kind of content, become a subscriber and make sure you hit that thumbs up. Helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, hey, make sure to leave those below. So hey, we'll see you in the next one.